Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Fluctus channel. The Mobile Protected Firepower, or MPF, is the U.S. Army's program to procure a combat vehicle that can provide mobile, protected, and direct fire offensive capability to infantry brigade combat teams. The MPF is based on multiple fire support vehicles that have previously served the U.S. military forces, such as the M1-128 mobile gun system, which is capable of supporting dismounted infantry and engaging the enemy in close combat. This assault vehicle is part of the Stryker armored vehicle family. It features a 105mm tank gun and a Caterpillar C7 turbo diesel engine, enabling it to keep pace with a Stryker brigade combat team and quickly clear opposition to permit rapid movement. Inspired by such vehicle types, companies such as General Dynamic Land Systems designed the M10 Booker, an armored vehicle developed from the GDLS Griffin II, as the winner of its MPF program. The M10 Booker is armed with an M35 105mm main gun, controlled by the same fire control system as the M1A2 Abrams, along with an M240C 7.62mm coaxial machine gun and an M2.50 caliber machine gun. The M10 Booker dedication ceremony was held on April 8, 2024 at Aberdeen Proving Ground in Aberdeen, Maryland.
Staff Sergeant Stevani, Army leadership, important continuity.
Family members of the U.S. Army Private Robert D. Booker and Staff Sergeant Stephen Booker were also present at the ceremony. The sacrifice of these soldiers was honored by the naming of the M10 Booker combat vehicle.
After today, Private and Staff Sergeant Booker's valor and dedication will be in the hearts of the generations of soldiers the M10 Booker will support.
The Booker family broke a bottle of champagne on the front of the vehicle to mark the christening of the first M10 Booker. Additionally, a live fire demonstration was conducted at the ceremony to showcase the capabilities of the newly built combat vehicle. In addition to the MT Booker, General Dynamics has invested in developing advanced platforms to improve the effectiveness of ground forces on the battlefield. Some of the prominent examples are Stryker X and Abrams X vehicles, which implement hybrid powertrains for mobility. The NextGen Stryker X is built on the Stryker infantry carrier vehicle platform with an integrated series hybrid electric power system, which provides an extended range for long-distance maneuvers, along with silent watch and silent movement capabilities for covert operations. The constant implementation of newer technologies in military vehicles has been a trend that is reflected in the appearance of renewal programs, such as the Next Generation Combat Vehicle, or NGCV. This program aims to enhance the capabilities of various armored vehicles and develop newer technologies. These technologies are developed in specialized centers, such as the U.S. Army Ground Vehicle Systems Center, located at Detroit Arsenal in Michigan. This facility focuses on the entire spectrum of vehicle development, from research and initial designs to engineering, prototyping, testing, and integration. Over the years, the NGCV has done extraordinary technological research. As a result, they have procured exceptional prototypes, known as the Robotic Combat Vehicle, or RCV. These remotely operated vehicles can carry out some of the most dangerous missions on the battlefield. Currently, 3 variants, including light, medium, and heavy RCVs, have been produced that can perform specific mission roles like reconnaissance or direct combat. RCVs can integrate weapon systems, such as anti-tank guided missiles and medium-caliber guns, and even deploy other payloads like electronic warfare systems or counter-unmanned aerial systems. These technologies have been tested in several conditions during events like the RCV Soldier Operational Experiment 2, allowing U.S. military to understand the techniques for integrating RCVs into combat formations and gather direct feedback from soldiers. The M2 Bradley is the most renowned infantry fighting vehicle of all time. This military vehicle entered service in 1983, and since then, it has been used for reconnaissance and as an armored transport for a 9-man rifle squad, offering advantages in suppressing and eliminating threats for friendly infantry. Over the decades, several variants of the M2 Bradley were manufactured for the sole purpose of increasing the U.S. firepower on the battlefield. After seeing the potential of the M2 Bradley, the U.S. Army developed the Armored Multi-Purpose Vehicle, or AMPV, to replace the M113 and its family of vehicles. It is designed to provide far superior protection and durability than the M113, especially against landmines and underbody blasts. In addition, the AMPV is based on the Bradley chassis, which helps streamline the maintenance and logistics, eventually reducing costs and ensuring that spare parts are available at all times. The AMPV's design is similar to Bradley without its turret, emphasizing its support rather than direct combat role. Each variant allows the Armored Brigade combat teams to function effectively across different scenarios, ensuring medical, logistical, and keeps pace with frontline units. The MPV can also be operated alongside the M1 Abrams main battle tank. The vehicle's maneuverability, increased speed, and mobility allow it to maintain pace with M1 Abrams. Live fire exercises are often conducted to test how well the AMPV can support Abrams in tight formations, without slowing maneuvers or impeding the overall pace of the armored brigade combat team. In 2024, during the Maneuver War Fighter Conference, the Hot X Live Fire demonstration was conducted, during which the U.S. military and its allied partners assessed how well the vehicles moved across the terrain while responding to simulated enemy fire and explosive threats. Historically, the most interesting military vehicle is still M1 150 Assault Breacher Vehicle, or ABV. It is a U.S. military mine and explosives clearing vehicle based on the M1 Abrams chassis. These tracked combat vehicles were specifically designed to clear pathways for troops and other vehicles through minefields, roadside bombs, and improvised explosive devices. Another similar example is the German Keeler mine flail, which was developed on the M48 Patton medium tank hull to meet the mine clearing requirements of the German Army. Rheinmetall, a German automotive and arms manufacturer, simply removed the turret of the M48 and installed a rotor-powered mine flail. It is a rapidly rotating cylinder mounted between two arms in front of the vehicle, consisting of two shafts with 24 chains terminating in large metal feet. The moment the flail strikes the ground above a buried mine, the resulting impact causes the mine to detonate safely. The accuracy of mine flail is phenomenal, and during mine clearing, 98 to 100% of mines are destroyed, detonated, or thrown out. Rheinmetall has already designed the next generation of its armored breaching vehicle, known as the Keeler NG. Based on the Leopard 2 chassis, the Keeler NG is equipped with a Pearson mine plow that can clear mines at a speed of up to 250 meters per minute. In addition, it features a Plow-Fitter rocket-assisted mine clearing system, which can breach up to 160 meters long and 9 meters wide minefields and obstacles. Another innovative technology used by the German Army to detonate mines is the mine clearing ladder, which almost looks like a rope ladder. However, its rungs are filled with almost 80 kilos of explosives.
At the right limit. Ready? Yeah. On the way.
The entire mine clearing ladder system is stored in 2 boxes that are placed together in a designated area for launch. The soldiers detonate the explosives and immediately run towards protection. Right after the launching sequence, the mine clearing ladder is deployed, and within 30 seconds, the mines on the field are detonated, clearing the area for the German Army. The rapid advancements in firepower, mobility, and breaching technologies are reshaping the landscape of armored warfare. From next-gen fire support vehicles to robotic combat systems and cutting-edge breaching platforms, these innovations enhance battlefield efficiency, provide strategic flexibility, and ensure superior protection, ultimately preparing forces for future combat challenges. That's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of our new content. See you next time.